Hello, my name is Austin Conley, and today we will be going over APA in-text citation types. My three are two authors, Facebook post, and single song or track. When using a source with two authors, you must list the authors by their last name and then initials. You separate the author names with a comma. Use an ampersand instead of the word and. For example, this is the example that Purdue Owl uses. As you see, Soto, comma, and then the first initial and then the middle initial is present, and then the ampersand, and then the next name. And then it is normal with the title of the article, passage, whatever, and then you continue to page numbers, and then the URL of the citation. So another example of a two-author in-text citation with APA is this one by Reese and White. Talks about the curriculum and the significance of human flourishing for schools. It's a pretty neat article. I've read it for the first time because I was looking for a source, an example, and it's neat. It is neat. The next type of APA in-text citation is a Facebook post. This was my next one. For a Facebook post, you need the last name, first initial, then a middle initial, or the group name. Then the year and month that the post was uploaded. Then the content up to the first 20 words. So don't go over 20 words, just stop at 20 words. And then the site name, and then the URL. And then this is an example from Purdue Owl talking about the U.S. Department of Labor, or the U.S. Department of the Interior. So they made a Facebook post that said, that was on January 10th, 2020. That said, like frosting on a cake, snow coats and clings to the hoodoos and Bryce Canyon National Park in Utah. There was an image, and then it was a status update. And the image URL is here after the word Facebook. Yeah. Here is an example of a Facebook post from Bruton Parker College Athletics. This was actually made today on January 24th, 2024. It's the Lady Barons wrestling team. They're competing in the Warriors duels at 1 p.m. That was today. So, and then the image, there was an image with it, and the URL takes you to the image. The next APA in-text citation is a single song or track. So for a single song or track, it goes the recording artist, then the year of the release, the title of the song, then the album title, and then the record label. For example, this song by Dacus L called Night Shift. The album was Historian, and it was on Matador Records. So the example I have is a song by Josh Baldwin that was released in 2020, called Evidence. The album is also called Evidence, and the producer was Bethel Music. And then these are my references for the overall presentation. Thank you.